Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. Today we are in my 2017 Sierra pickup, and I've had a lot of questions from you guys about my tinted windshield. So the windshield is tinted in this truck, 35% all the way down, so top to bottom. The sides are 5%. The back is the factory 20 with 5% over the top of it. So what I wanted to do is give you guys a kind of a point of view during the daytime and at nighttime of what it's like living with a tinted windshield. A lot of people are like, how do you see? Can you see at night? Is it an issue? This truck has pretty good lighting, but anyway, I'm going to show you kind of a daytime view and a nighttime view. So like I said, the sides here are tinted at 5%. The front windshield is 35% all the way down, and then the back is the factory 20 with 5% over the top. And I'll roll down each window so you can kind of get an idea of what it's like. And now let's do some driving so you guys can see out the front windshield. One of the hardest places to see at nighttime is the area right here. So from the front glass to the pillar, you really can't see a whole lot. Sometimes I have to roll down the window in order to see kind of what's over in this area. Makes a huge difference. But it's really dark. You can't see a thing in the back. You can see a car coming here, but you can't see a thing in the back, really. The camera doesn't do it really any justice at night, but it is a big difference. And it is tough to see sometimes, but like I said, the lighting on this truck is pretty good. This is with the LEDs on, and then this is with the LEDs off. So there is a big difference with those on and off. you're able to see a ton of reflection off the side glass. So the more light on the inside of the car, the worse it is. Okay, as you can see, it's pretty dark. So I tint all my cars this way. So every one of the vehicles I own, aside from my old truck, is tinted with 35% on the entire windshield. But I will recommend, if you guys are going to do this, make sure you have some sort of like HID headlight. That truck came factory with a HID headlight, and then it has LED fog lights, which you see me turn on and off in the video. But yeah, it is dark. And if you don't have a backup camera, you have to have a backup camera, otherwise you're going to have to roll down your window every time and stick your head out. But if you like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up. This was actually a suggestion from a prior video somebody posted in the comments. So please drop a comment down below. What do you think? Do you have another idea for a video, something that you want to see on this truck or any of the other vehicles? Please post down below. Also, you can hit me up on Instagram at TW Motorsports, or you can email me at twmotorsports@hotmail.com. And subscribe if you haven't already, because I do content like this all the time. And of course, I'm going to take your suggestions on other things that I should be doing or other videos that you guys would like to see. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to see what happens next.